This just showed up today, and I had a different one from a different brand, and the glass was very tight. But this one's really loose. I mean, look at this. I'm scared that if I pour it, it's going to slide right out. It shouldn't be this loose, really. I mean, for $40, if the glass falls out, I mean, is there a way to tighten it? I don't know. I don't think so. The one I had before, the glass was very tight inside here, and I had no fears whatsoever of it falling out. But this is just ridiculous, man. If I'm not careful, that's $40 down the drain, literally.